all my rowdy friends are coming over for Monday Night Football. That's the name of the song, I guess. That's a new one. Very little left hand. What we were thinking about, I'm glad I stopped it there. Looks like it's gonna switch over. So we switch there to C position. And it jumps back. Wait, not yet. Doesn't, okay. Man. Dude, it's funny, I don't know if it's just me, but I've gotten to the point where I don't even know what letter it is, but I know where to go. Even if it's going that fast, I'm not thinking the letter, but I'm like literally just going and hoping that it's right. See, I'm not, like I'm saying, I'm not even thinking. I'm just kind of going, looking at it and hoping that I could see if it's telling me to skip a whole step or a whole note, you know, or just half step. And it's approaching 1 in the morning. In case you guys don't know, I do this super late because of my kids. Hard during the day.
Some pigskin fun. I see a Super Bowl season here on ABC. The biggest game each week is their specialty. I gotta get ready, make everything right, 'cause Monday Night Football's coming on tonight.
Alright, let's get that.
Turn on my TV for some pigskin fun. I see a Super Bowl season here on ABC. The biggest game each week is their specialty. I gotta get ready, make everything right, 'cause Monday...
Alright, man, I got it. 4 minutes, come on.
turn on my TV for some pigskin fun. I see a Super Bowl season here on ABC. The biggest game each week is their specialty. I gotta get